Hey guys, it's Friday. We're gonna go over the analysis here. I'm having a lot of fun on these videos this morning. I just did a video. I'm rendering it right now for you guys on YouTube. Are people buying or selling your coin? Literally, we updated all of our long and short trade data. So go on our YouTube page. You guys click the little icon in the bottom left corner of your screen if you're on a computer. Watch the most recent video, and we updated all of our metrics to show you guys long versus short trades and actual volume of how much volume is going long or short. We updated all of our metrics. They're so much better now, and they're just like, oh, guys, I love that video. We'll be doing more like that because it gives you guys just an unbiased, honest analysis of like, look, for Bitcoin, is there more volume in Bitcoin going long or is there more volume short? Previous time, and what a lot of traders actually use out there is the percentage chart, because that's what a lot of the metrics show is percentage based because it's easier to graph. We actually restructured this whole thing to go off volume. So you can literally see, is there more volume going long or short, and how much more volume is going long and short on the coins that we've got. Oh, it's just so beautiful. Okay, I'm geeking out this morning because I love this fresh, new, crisp data we have. It's just making everything better. All right, if you guys want to access that really quick, I'll make this fast. Our membership's $95 a month. That's it. You're accessing that for the coins here. There's a few coins that don't have long and short trade data just because nobody in the world has it. But the coins that do, we definitely have all that covered for you guys. So subscribe there, and we're 122 wins and 1 loss. Only 1 loss was on Luna, which pretty much everyone lost. So we're doing really well. Okay, in today's video, I want to show you guys this. I want to take us out to the weekly time frame and show you guys why I'm still feeling like this is a bullish time to get into the market. I'm going to be showing you guys 2 indicators, and we're going to specifically be looking at price response, money flow, and trend exhaustion. Okay, the trend dashboard, some of these readings are going to go away because there's just no data for RSI, stochastic, and MACD because we're on such high time frames for some of the exchanges. So if these disappear, that's supposed to happen. It would be really weird if they did show up because it would be pulling data from somewhere that's not even there. So these are going to disappear on a few of these because we're on such a high time frame, but I want to go over this and just give you guys some confidence. Like, look at what's happened in the past year. So let's dive in here. The indicators are in the description if you guys want to snag them. Let's go. You guys need to be watching this. Look at how ridiculously low, and we're going to go through all these coins here. It's going to be a little bit faster, but watch this. We'll cover your favorite coin. The price response money flow being so low right now, the trend exhaustion being so low. You guys need to see what has happened when the whale money flow has been this low in the past, guys. It was back over here, it's back over here, it's back over here. These are what we call pre-pump levels. Now, the price is not at a pre-pump level like it is on Mana, Decentraland, and some other coins, but we're looking at the same selling nature happening as we did in the past over here before massive moves back up, guys. Like, this is another bullish reason why I believe crypto is not just going to keep going down to like 10,000. I do believe 20,000 is possible, which is not too far away. It's just a structure high right here. It's a structure low, but this is the structure high in December 17. But I want to point this out to you guys. Look at this reversal that can be coming back into the market. I've been telling you guys, whales are selling, and they will eventually start buying again. Look at trend exhaustion down here at these lower sections as well. Pair it up to where it's been in the past. We're seeing moves up. Now let's go to Ethereum. Take a look at Ethereum. Well money flow being this low. Where did we see this before? The precursor before the massive move up in Ethereum. And then we saw this back here again after we dropped all the way back down, and then we started to see the market recovery. Okay, trend exhaustion again, low here. Well money flow, low as well. These lower levels, guys, I want you to just point out to these levels. You're going to see that they're going to be correlated to the drops or consolidation before the massive moves back up. Okay, I just so you guys know, when you have this indicator, it's going to show price as well. So you can keep that on or off. I'm just going to take it off to make it easier. Okay, ADA. Look at ADA. On Coinbase, we hardly have any data. So on this one, I just want to switch over real quick for all of us to Binance, if that's okay. So here's what we're going to look at. The well money flow down here, guys, is so low. Again, over here. That's the same nature of what we're seeing. And then trend exhaustion being this low here before, this is again low before the huge pump here. The low here, again, is calling this right around on this drop right there. And then we saw the market move back up on the green candle here. And then we're looking at trend exhaustion being low here. Looking at this metric here, these are very low prices, guys. This is where people are going to start buying this up and start going back up because it can't go down hardly any further. Like, look at what's going on here. Okay, well, money flow and trend exhaustion. This is crazy. This is because Dogecoin doesn't have much data, and we got to go like this. All right, it looks weird because you have nothing for so long, and then we've got something. So let's go like this. This will pull it into parameters if you guys just make your chart closer here. But look at this on the weekly time frame. When this got low here, and trend exhaustion got low, we ended up seeing moves up for well money flow. Interesting enough, which is, I didn't actually check this beforehand. This is kind of interesting. Dogecoin actually has a further move down to go than possibly other coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum. So you may actually see, it's interesting because we're looking at this right now. This has definite room to move down. Look at this right here and look at that. Dogecoin may actually bleed a little bit further, guys, down to maybe probably 4 or 5 cents potentially. That's interesting that we were looking at that metric. Let's take a look at Link here and let's see what this can present to us. Link, guys, pre-pump levels on these metrics here. Trend exhaustion low down here, and then low here as well. Looking for the move back up. The move back up. Guys, this is, again, why you're going to hear me say this a lot. I'm looking for these moves back up in the market. I got this question yesterday. Are we in a crypto winter? I think the crypto winter is here, and we're in like a crypto freeze. Well, money flow, guys. This shows the selling patterns and the aggressiveness of selling in the market. When this metric gets down here, it's showing where whales actually want to start buying again. Do you guys think whales want to just keep selling this, or do you think they're actually going to start shifting this over to buys? This will go up. Guys, this thing will go up. You have to think of this from an institution and whale perspective. Are they going to just allow you guys to not put any more money in the market so they can't make any more money themselves? Guys, this is a multi-trillion-dollar market. They want the market to go back up so you guys can start buying so they can sell out when you buy a lot so they can make more money. If they crash this market to zero, they've taken away a multi-trillion-dollar income for themselves with all the hedge funds in the world and all the big boys. They're not going to take crypto away. Okay? It's just going to keep growing because it's such an incredible money maker for a lot of big boys out there. Okay, take a look at this. Pre-pump levels we're seeing over here. Trend exhaustion low, trend exhaustion low, trend exhaustion low. Look at this. Before the move up here, before the massive move up here, we're sitting here again. Even back over here when we got down here, we did see a market move up. Look at the structure of price though. We're back down at structure supports looking for the moves back up. Well, money flow is the lowest I can even pull over here possible. Again, this is such a low level looking for moves up. DOT, let's take a look at this. Looking at well money flow low here, trend exhaustion low down here. Looking at trend exhaustion here. This is where the actual structures of crypto are getting exhausted and they're due for a move back up. We can see this right over here for the move back up. Watch this on the 4-hour, watch this on the daily. I'm just showing you guys on the weekly to give you guys a bigger perspective here. Now look at EOS. Look at every time we've come down here to the bottom sections, right around these areas, okay? This is where we're seeing market moves back up, right there. And I'm going to pull this over here. This saw a little bit of a continuation move back down. We just saw a little bit of move up. Just want to keep this thing honest here. This saw a move up here. We saw the move up there. And we ended up seeing the move. Let me pull this right there. This, we saw the move up right there, okay? And even this over here ended up correlated to the move up. So well, money flow is still low. Could we have a little bit lower? Potentially. Just being honest here. Could we have lower on trend exhaustion? Yeah, we could, all right? But when this is low over here, this is when it's actually predicted the pumps before they happened with the well money flow. Seeing that people are selling down here, partner this with trend exhaustion, and when you see well money flow and trend exhaustion paired up together, guys, and they're both low, and you're looking at this, just go straight up. Don't cherry pick anything. Just go straight up in the market as best as you can. And look at what's happened after this. It's the precursor to moves up, precursor to moves up, precursor to moves up in the market, okay? Even over here, it is the precursor to the moves back up. This is why I am bullish on this channel, guys, and I'm not thinking this thing is going to crash to $5,000, $10,000 on Bitcoin. Trend exhaustion is low here. This is low as well on money flow low, looking at the pre-pumps that we're getting. The pre-pump signs are well money flow low and trend exhaustion low on the weekly. This is what's called multi-time frame analysis. Well money flow low, well money flow low. Looking for these moves back up, guys. I had this question yesterday in the inner circle. It was, Travis, what should we do right now if we believe the market's going to crash even further? Guys, look at SHIB. You guys, people made millions of dollars on this, and you guys prayed and hoped for the market to go back down to this area, and now you're getting it again, and now you're just afraid it's going to go to zero? Like, I got to call that out a little bit here, because there's some people, and this isn't to bash anyone. Please don't hear it wrong on this. But I just being honest here, I'm not going to go over Luna. That thing's gone. But here's the point, guys. Some of you guys were like, man, I really wish I didn't buy Cardano up here at $3. I wish I could have bought it at 50 cents. And now there's people saying, oh, the market's so low, I'm afraid it's going to go even lower. Guys, you have to pick a side. You can't be wishy-washy with your emotions. You need to decide right now, do you think crypto has a future? And if you think crypto has a future, then you need to be buying, because you are getting what you prayed and hoped for your entire life, is to get the prices back to where they were before they jumped. Everybody heard about this. I guarantee if you guys are in crypto, you had friends or you had somebody you knew that made a ton of money on Dogecoin. I know a guy that was up $85,000. He only put like $5,000 in. It was crazy. Now we have that opportunity again, and he invested at 5 cents. And you guys have the opportunity again. I remember waking up with my wife, and I was like, we should put money in this. And it was literally at 5 cents. And I'm like, okay, you now have that opportunity again. Some of you guys are like, well, crypto's going to go away and it's going to go to zero. Okay, that is a potential. Let me be honest. But ask yourself this question. Do you think all the big guys out there, call them manipulation, behind the big rooms, whatever, you call it whatever you want. Do you guys think they're going to take away a multi-trillion-dollar market that they can't make money on anymore? Where are they going to put their money? Guys, like, they can take so much money from retail traders that don't know what they're doing in the market, that it is such a big money maker. Guys, what I believe is happening, I'm sorry this is such a little bit longer video, but I believe you guys are just going to start seeing wells accumulate this low. And this is why, again, I want to show this metric to you guys over here for Bitcoin. The Bitcoin charts, guys, are on the long for short trades are now tracking all of volume. The volume increase over here, these are Wells institutions. You guys cannot hide. I'm talking about you guys, like institutions, Wells, they can't hide from us, guys. We see the actual volume of long trades going through. If people want to place trades and they want to enter long into the market, it's going to show up, okay, for the exchange for Bitfinex. So you guys can see this. This means a ton of money is buying into the market. I am bullish on crypto. And I would seriously say this. If you guys want to get into crypto right now, get over here, have the membership. That's awesome. This will give you access to this. This is why I'm showing this to you. Have that. And then come over here and look for the dollar cost average entries. So right now, because we're so low, if you had, let's say, $1,000, split it into 4 or 3 equal portions. Use the first 4 or first 3 buy limits, okay? 33% at each. Let's say you guys have $100,000 out there you want to throw in. 33,000 here, 33,000, 33,000. Okay, a third. If this market goes back up, which is what I expect to see, fairly soon, we could go down to 20,000, just so you guys know. I keep saying that. I want you to hear me. If we do go to 20,000, that first buy limit will get hit and the second one will get hit. You're going to have perfect risk management as this thing goes back down. But for those of you guys think, I've got money on the sidelines, I don't want to put any money in until it goes further, I think you're playing with fire there. You really are. Why is it not wisdom and greater wisdom to at least get something in the market in case it goes up so you can reward yourself and earn on it versus not getting anything in and waiting for it to go down because you think it's going to crash? Here's the deal, guys. I don't care how smart you are. You don't know for a fact if this is going to go down to $20,000. I don't either, and I'm not going to put myself above you guys. We don't know this for a certainty. So the only way to take advantage of big moves in the market is to be exposed. You have to be exposed. Okay, hopefully I'm sharing good wisdom with you guys. I know I'm a little more excited on this video. Hopefully that's okay. But I just want to relate this to you guys of what I'm seeing because I do believe this market turnaround is coming. It is coming, guys. Like, look at the data that we're showing you. Look at long trades. Look at market cap increasing. It's just, look at what I just showed you guys from the metrics. Access those metrics in the description. You guys can scalp with these indicators if you want. I don't know if you know that, but let's end the video here. We're going to land this thing because this is already getting long enough. The indicators I just showed you guys can get them in the description. They're 84% off. It's the cheapest we'll ever have our indicators. We won't have our prices lower than this for indicators, literally ever. We won't. We're just going to actually up the price of the bundle pack is what we're going to be doing in a few days here at the end of May. So make sure you guys snag this. All of the indicators that you guys get with the bundle pack, the 3 that I use on my charts every day that we've actually used to call 122 wins in a row with 1 loss, all these wins, they're called with these indicators right there. That's why there's snapshots with all these indicators on them on the Telegram channel. These indicators, Forex, they've never been coded on TradingView before. The jackpot indicator you guys get, literally, this is like the best metric suite of indicators you guys can have. And you guys are getting all this with the bundle pack. And this sale for May is going to be ending in 11 days. So you guys know. All right. I love you guys. Have an amazing day. Look at the testimonials, what people are doing over here. This guy took $150 and turned it into $1,000 with the indicators. He's like, it was a hard challenge, but the indicators made it. This guy down here, I'm making thousands of dollars a month. And just this week alone, I've done 5,000. That's pretty insane, guys. Let's take a look at this. This guy over here, I've won 4 trades in a row. Last 2 weeks, 4% each. Okay, I want to show you guys the big stuff and the small stuff. I'll show you guys a little bit of both. $23,000 with the trend exhaustion, price sold money flow in 1 week. Okay, super blessed. And then you guys know other people with $43,000 in the matter of 4 days, and we've got this guy down here. Some guy was doing like $4,000 a month. I don't know if I can find it on here. I made $4,000 in the last 24 hours and the outlay of $20,000 just using the indicators. Another reason why you guys want to get it. $20,000. That's crazy. 4,000 on 20,000. I don't know if I can find it here, but anyways, some guy here was doing around $4,000. I joined the Trade Confident membership last month and using both the trend exhaustion and price sold money flow, I'm making about $4,000 a month. That's super awesome. So great job, man. $4,000 is probably more than most people make in their job. So that's pretty cool. Obviously, some of these people may be using a decent amount of money. So just want to keep that honest. All right, guys, I love you. Have an amazing day. And get the indicators in the description. Watch this. Watch the metrics, guys. I think some good things are going to be coming for us. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll do a Bitcoin roundup video a little bit later today, going over Bitcoin specifically of where I think we're going to head. All right, guys, have a good one. The links to the indicators on sale, as well as our memberships in the description. And I linked it to the first comment of the YouTube video. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.